Hello students, in last class we discussed about gully erosion. What is gully erosion? That is a type of erosion where the rainwater moves down on an uneven land scoops. That is, when a rainwater moves down through a clay soil, the soil form a deep channels. Deep channels are forming because of the flow of rainwater through a clay soil. This type of erosion is called gully erosion. When there is continuous flow of rainwater through clay soil, a gap develops on the soil. Through that gap, water starts to move down and erosion takes place. Soil is flowing through that gap towards down. That makes a channel. So the land become unfit for cultivation or for any other construction activities. This type of erosion is called gully erosion. As a result of this type of erosion, what happens? A land which is broken into many small parts by the gullies is called bad land. Means this gully erosion that breaks land into small parts, that is called gullies. This erosion makes land gullies, and these gullies are bad land, not good for cultivation. Bad land is unfit for cultivation. Not only for cultivation, it is unfit for any other economic activities. So this erosion is a serious problem. The picture of gullies, see, when rainwater is continuously flowing and moves down, makes gullies, and through this soil began to flow down and the land becomes unfit either for cultivation or for any other economic activities, isn't it? Okay. Another type of erosion, that is sheet erosion. Sheet erosion. See, sheet erosion is not so dangerous than like gully erosion. Here, water flows as a sheet. Water flows straight over a large areas. When water flows over a large areas as a sheet, that makes a slope down. When it is flows as a sheet over a large areas, that starts to goes down. Then the water takes away the topsoil. When water begins to goes down, you know, topsoil also flows with the water. This type of erosion is called sheet erosion. Sheet erosion is taking place when water flows straightly over a large areas, then starts to move down. And topsoil is also eroded due to this type of erosion. This is called sheet erosion. As a result of sheet erosion, what happens? The fertile topsoil soils are eroding. Fertile part of the soil, that is the topsoil, gets eroded. Next, soil conservation measures. How can we protect soil from erosion? First is contour plowing. What is it? Contour plowing. The picture is given there. Plowing along the contour lines. These are contour lines, zigzag lines. Can decelerate the flow of water down the slopes. Yes, due to this type of plowing, zigzag plowing, what is happening? It decreases the flow of water, decelerate, not accelerate, decelerate the flow of water down the slopes. So water can be conserved there. This type of contour plowing is mainly done on hill slopes. Contour plowing along the slopes of the hills, this type of plowing take place. As a result, soil of that areas can be protected. Another type of soil conservation measure is terrace farming. Terrace farming. Yes, on hilly areas, terrace farmings are there. Steps can be cut on the slopes. Steps, steps by step. They cut steps and within the steps, cultivation take place. So that these steps make space to cultivate. Terrace cultivation is there. Cultivation within that steps is called a terrace cultivation, which restricts the flow of soil, which controls soil erosion. Steps cultivation. This is also called step farming or terrace cultivation. From this picture, it is very clear what is terrace farming. It is also practiced on hilly areas, on hill slopes to protect the soil from erosion. Next, third type. All these are related to farming. Means appropriate and suitable farming techniques can protect the soil from erosion. Third is strip cropping. Large fields are divided into strips. Large fields are divided into strips. Strips of grass are left to grow between the crops. Means, see, there are strips of lands are there and grasses are left to grow between the crops. Between the crops, grasses are there. Have you seen the picture? Great picture. Grasses are there and between these grasses, crops are there. These grasses are protecting the soil. So the soil of these areas will be protected with the help of grasses and there is no wind erosion or running water disrupt the cultivation of soil. This method is called strip cropping. That means growing grasses between crops or it protects the grasses as a cover. Next, shelter belts. Shelter belt. What is it? Planting lines of trees to create shelter. See them. See crops are there and sides of crops there are big trees. Trees are planted. These trees protected the crops of that area and protecting the soil of that area because the roots of trees bind the soil together which will not allow to erode by wind. This is called uh, shelter belt. This is shelter. Okay, next. We completed land conservation measures, types of erosion. Now we go back to NCERT text. We'll revise the topic from beginning with the help of NCERT. You must also download the PDF of NCERT and read this topic chapter as much as possible and underline main points and read that again and again. See, from resources, from definition, you may have revised all these topics, but again, we have to go through these topics. Here, meaning of resources, everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, provided is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. I explained this definition in a detailed way. Okay. Now, classification of resources. Before classification, you know that interdependent relationship between nature, technology, and institutions with human beings. Human beings interact with these things continuously. Next, you know that classification of resources on the basis of origin, then on the basis of accessibility, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of status of development. On the basis of origin, there are biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic, abiotic. Biotic, living things, non-living things, abiotic. Exhaustibility, there is renewable and non-renewable resources. Next, on the basis of ownership, individual, community, national and international. We discussed the point. Individual, community, national. Individual means ownership of a person, and the community, it is owned by people living in that area collectively. National, ownership of the country. International, there is no particular country can claim on it. International organization manages the ownership of it, especially this is related to water bodies. Next is on the basis of status of development, potential, developed, stock and resource. Potential resources are those resources are found in a region, and if technology is there, we can utilize. Resources are found in a region, can be utilized with appropriate technology. Developed means the resources whose quality, quantity has been surveyed and can be utilized with the help of technology, exploited with the help of technology. Stock, that is, there are enough elements are found in the environment, and with the help of appropriate technology, if it is available. For example, hydrogen and oxygen, two inflammable gases are found in the environment. By combining hydrogen and oxygen, we can produce water if appropriate technology is there. Because of inefficient technology or non-availability of such technology, these two compounds or these two elements are left like that. Means there is a stock. If technology is available, we can produce energy. Because of lack of technology, we are not able to produce. Resource. Resource means whatever be the resources found present are not utilized fully currently, and we preserve that for our future generation. Next, Types of resources, explanation I have already given. Detailed explanation of each thing is given there. Okay. Please come to stock again. I think many of you may have doubt about stock and reserves. Materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs, but human beings do not have the appropriate technology. Human beings do not have the appropriate technology. If technology is available, we can utilize that resources. For example, this point is very clear with the help of example only. Water is a compound of two inflammable gases. As I told you earlier, hydrogen and oxygen. And it can be used as a rich source of energy. How? If there is any appropriate technical know-how is there, technology is there to utilize them and produce water. Because of absence of that technology, we cannot utilize that hydrogen and oxygen for producing water. Reserves. Again you see, reserves are the subset of the stock which can be put into use with the help of existing technical know-how. Here there is no problem of technology. With the existing technology, we can utilize the resources, but we are postponing its use for future, because for meeting the requirements of future, we have to preserve some amount of resources. So these resources are called reserves. Next, development of resources. What is development of resources? Resources should be developed. Should be developed in such a way that resources will not be wasted. There should not be any wastage of resources. For that, we should have an appropriate planning. Okay. And how resources are getting depleted or wasting? Because of our careless attitude only. How? Depletion resources for satisfying the greed of few individuals. You know, all people are not greedy, but few people, they are definitely greedy. Few rich, they are greedy. They exploit the resources in such a quantity that will not left for future. So that leads to depletion. Another problem, this excess use of, indiscriminate use of resources led to another problem, accumulation of resources in few hands, which in turn divided the society into two segments. You know, two segments, that is haves and have-nots, that is rich and poor. This accumulation of resources divided society into two parts, rich and poor. Okay, next point, indiscriminate exploitation. Due to this indiscriminate exploitation of resources led to global ecological crisis. What are the global ecological crises? Global warming, ozone layer depletion, environmental pollution, and land degradation. So, for these things will not happen, we need to plan resources. Next, resource planning. Resource planning is a wide term, that is, it is a skill or technology to use resources judiciously. Resource planning means a skill or technology or technique for the wise and judicious use of resources. Explain all these things. Okay. You know that in many parts of India rich in resources, but in some parts of India resources are not found in that quantity or lacks resources. India has enormous diversity in the availability of resources. In matter of diversity, India is a great country, multicultural country. That is the beauty of India, and we enjoy the beauty of India with its diversities. We accept diversity, whether it is in the matter of resources or it is in the matter of language, religion, relief feature, festivals, whatever be the thing, we can see such a great diversity in our country, right? In some states of India, there are enough resources. For example, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh are rich in minerals and coal deposits, whereas Arunachal Pradesh has abundance of water resources but lacks infrastructural development. Means resources in India are unevenly distributed. All regions are not equally endowed with all types of resources. Some regions have many resources, some resources in large quantities, and some other regions lacks that. The state of Rajasthan is very well endowed with solar and wind energy, but lacks in water resources. And in Ladakh, Union Territory, the cold desert of Ladakh is relatively isolated from the rest of the country. Now it is not isolated, it is a union territory. Development activities are taking place in a high speed way there, we can say. It has very rich cultural heritage. Rich cultural heritage is there, but it is deficient in water. There is a problem of water, infrastructure. Some vital minerals are also not there, but in culture, they are rich. So, this is the diversity. This is the richness of India. Some regions, something is more, and in every regions, everything is not there. So, we need every regions equally. That is the diversity. We respect the diversity of each regions. This calls for a balanced resource planning. We need a balanced resource planning at the national, state, regional, and local levels. Now, resource planning. Resource planning. See, resource planning in India. Resource planning is a complex process which involves three steps. First is identification and inventory of resources across the regions of the country. This identification and inventory involves, what are they? Which involves survey the land where it is found, mapping the land, quality and quantity estimation should be there, and how much quality, how much quantity resources are found. Second step, evolving a planning structure. A planning structure must be evolved with appropriate technology. Without the technology, utilization of resources is not possible. So, not only technology, we need a skill and institution setup. Okay, we explained it. Then the last point of it, matching the resource development plans with overall national development plans. All these points we discussed in detail in our earlier classes. So today we are stopping here, and please you go through the topics which we discussed today and read NCERT. Okay. Please mail your doubts.